Having clean windows is more than just streak-free glass. Blue Ocean Window Cleaning offers a whole host of additional services to keep your windows and your home in great shape. Today I'm here with Paul Pate. Thanks so much for coming in today.
Glad to be here.
Window cleaning can really help you take better advantage of your home, but there's some additional services you can either add on to your window cleaning or just tackle independently if it's off-season for windows. So what other services are available?
Yeah, I would say one of the main ones are the screens. People will have maybe holes in their screens, or maybe they've been getting corroded and you can kind of see that they're kind of worn. We will actually come to the home, evaluate all the screens on the house or the property. If there's a determination that there's screens to be repaired, take them to our repair shop, bring them back typically the next day.
Wow.
And put all new screens together for you during this winter time.
That is it's really, I don't think about my screens in the winter, but if I'm not using my windows as much, it's probably, it's the perfect time to do that because I won't mind any downtime, and one day is an incredible turnaround.
Yeah, we do our best.
That's gonna save homeowners a lot of effort and energy too, knowing that it's just 100% in the hands of Blue Ocean. Otherwise, I would have to take them off myself, take them to a store, figure it out somehow, and screen repair is really kind of tricky.
Yes, it is, yeah. If we make a mistake, we're going to obviously take care of it and
know that they fit when you come back.
Yeah.
That's the best part. You're gonna have them installed, and if something goes wrong, of course, we'll make it right. That's the best part about Blue Ocean. Another service, rain gutters. They also need to be cleaned out.
Rain gutters, obviously this is the time of the year we're expecting some rain, and it's not much fun to walk out the door and have the rain coming over the side of the gutter on top of your head. So
no.
We can take care of that.
And it's always at that exact spot, I find.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
That's another great winter one. There's other things you can do inside the home for maybe getting ready for the holidays, making sure people are coming to see your home at its best.
Yeah, people don't realize, but we'll also come inside and do glass shower enclosures, large mirrors, small mirrors, any mirrored doors on closets typically can be cleaned, light fixtures inside, even the windows. Sometimes the tracks get very built up. We can lift out sections of glass, lift out the tracks, disassemble them, clean them, even do lubrication of mechanical parts so that kind of, again, winterized.
Winterize everything and make sure that your windows are working and that your house is looking beautiful. Let Blue Ocean Window Cleaning help you better enjoy your home with clean windows and these additional services. Call 619-369-3601 to get started today. Thanks so much for watching. If you liked that video, please comment, like, and subscribe. And when you do, you'll have full access to all of our videos, from full episodes to quick tips covering topics in all areas of home improvement. So hit that subscribe button below for quick and easy access to everything you need to know about your home.